The trailing stop consists of two components. The first component tells where to start tracking the profit, and the second component tells how much distance to follow it. Example. Start percentage, 2. Follow percentage, 0.5. 2 minus 0.5 equals 1.5%. 2% is where trail stop starts to work. When your position reaches 2% profit, a stop order is being placed at 1.5% profit, the coin is locked in, and the position will surely be closed with at least 1.5% profit. 0.5% is the distance where the bot sells. If the price drops with specified distance from the highest level it achieved while the position is open, the bot will automatically close the position. Now, as the price continues to rise, your stop level will increase, and when the price starts to fall back, your stop level will be triggered, and you will exit the position. To set trail stop, type set trail stop exchange start level distance. Examples. 1. Set trail stop Binance to 0.5. If you want the bot to close at least 1.5 profit per trade or more. 2. Set trail stop Binance 1.80.6. If you want the bot to close at least 1.2 profit per trade or more. 3. Set trail stop Binance 1.50.5. If you want the bot to close at least 1 profit per trade or more. 4. Set trail stop Binance 1.00.5. If you want the bot to close at least 0.5 profit per trade or more. 5. Set trail stop Binance 0.50.25. If you want the bot to close at least 0.25 profit per trade or more. With this feature, when the market is bullish, you can earn more than 2.1%, unlike the bot regular profit that closes only when 2.1% is reached. Here's an actual example. This is the explanation. Buy SLP at 0.0195 price, set buy 1000 USDT, equals 51,282 SLP coins. Sell SLP at 0.031 price x 51,282 SLP equals $1,589 USDT. So, per buy $1,000 USDT minus $1,589. Total profit is $589.743. 58.9% profit return using the trail stop, the new feature of the bot.